Video. Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. Today we are going to learn to make icon, education icon. So let's start now. This is the opening screen of Pixel Lab mobile app. Now we'll delete this. Click on this add symbol. Shapes. Take a circle shape. Like this. Make a ellipse. Click OK. Now we have to go to the 3D shapes option. So here is the 3D shapes option. Click on this, enable. Click on the oblique option. Click on gradients. Click any color. Darken. And now make it 90% angle. So this is the angle of the shadow which is there in the 3D shape. It is 89%. So now it is 90%, means the shadow will move upwards. Now what we are going to do is we are going to increase the depth of this shadow. Here is the depth. Click OK. Now change the color of this icon. Here is the color option. Change it to black. Now the lower part of the hat is done. We are going to make the top part of the hat. This shape we are going to take diamond shape. Drag it like this and like this. Use black color. Click OK. Now go to the stroke section, enable, and increase the stroke width like this. Click OK. Now the standing two threads we have to make. For that purpose we are going to take this shape and use black color and stroke width. Use stroke color white. Okay. Now we need a circle shape. Again use color black and stroke width 30 and stroke color white. Okay. We should increase the stroke width, enable the stroke panel and increase the stroke width. Okay. Now we will merge these two planes. Click here. And merge these two planes from the layers panel. We will make one more copy of it. Click here, make a copy. Little smaller copy. Keep this behind. Click on the send to back option. Send to back option. Now merge all the planes. Click on the layers panel. click on the merge option. Merge. Okay, now we want to remove this white part. We will go to the erase color option, click on this, enable it. This is how our education icon is ready. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya.